The National Sports Day is celebrated on 29th August, on the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand, who is regarded as nation's greatest hockey player of all time. On this day, President of India honors eminent sports personalities with major awards, including Khel Ratna, Arjuna Awards, Dronacharya Awards, and Dhyan Chand Award. In 2019, two athletes have been nominated by the selection committee for sports awards in highest sporting honor in the country. Khel Ratna wrestler Bajrang Punia and Rio Paralympics silver medalist Deepa Malik have been nominated for the award. Khel Ratna is awarded to athletes for spectacular and outstanding performance in the field of sports over a period of 4 years.
National Sports Day is celebrated every year on August 29. The day is celebrated to honor the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand Singh. This day marks the birthday of Major Dhyan Chand Singh, who won gold medals in Olympics for India in the years 1928, 1932 and 1936. He was called the Major because he had served in the British Indian Army and also in Indian Army after the independence of India in 1947. This day is celebrated to spread awareness about the importance of sports in everyone's life.
Sports, whether indoor or outdoor, are very essential for both mental health and physical health. Sports are very important to our heart's health. A daily 30 minutes physical activity make our heart stronger and protect us from heart disease. Sports reduce the amount of cholesterol and fat in the body. It also strengthens our lungs and escalate the lungs capacities. It also improves the quality of bone. A person who plays sports will have strong bone in even old age.
I am here to talk about field hockey. Field hockey is a game that is played with a stick and a ball. Hockey requires two teams consisting of 11 players on each side, and their motive or aim of the sports is to score as many goals as possible. Hockey is the national sports of India. During the play, the keeper of the hockey team are only allowed to touch the ball with any part of their body. Meanwhile, player must use a holding stick. If the ball is touched with a rounded part of the stick, it will be result in a penalty. And India has the ranking of third in the hockey worldwide. And India had won gold medal in 2004 Asian Games after 16 years and last won on 1998.